A new Chogan box has just arrived. Let's go do the unboxing. Here we have the Chogan coffee. Assorted tastes. Strong, normal, classic. Then we have the neem foot cream. Fantastic for feet with odors or any problems with heels, cracked heels. This is a fantastic line, complete of all our certifications. Chic Bio, gluten-free, vegan, not tested on animals. This is a fantastic product. Then we have the neem shower gel. This is excellent to use if you have skin irritations or anything. It is antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal. It is also complete of Chic Bio, gluten-free, vegan, not tested on animals. Excellent product. Then we have another shower gel. Then we have, this is also a shower gel, but it is fragranced. This has the fragrance Acqua di Gio. This is an excellent product. Also fantastic to be used as a gift. Then we have Burro di Karité. This is also complete of all the certifications. Biocosmetic, gluten-free, not tested on animals, BioCerta Italia. Then we have Acqua di Gio, 35 ml. This is it's a shampoo anti-hair loss with caffeine. It strengthens the hair. It stimulates growth. And it's for fragile hair. Also complete of Chic Bio, vegan, BioCerta Italia, and not tested on animals. Then we have another fragranced shower gel. This fragrance is number 23. Very, very nice. Here is another one. This is 51, Coco Chanel. Then we have the neem body cream. I repeat, this is a fantastic line, antiseptic, antifungal, complete of all certifications, chic, gluten-free, vegan, not tested on animals. Then we have anti-dandruff shampoo. This is also an excellent product. Highly suggested, with Chic Bio, vegan, BioCerta Italia, and not tested on animals. Then we have the Proxogen Plus. This is a disinfectant, excellent to wash floors or any surfaces, especially during this COVID time. Then we have another Proxogen here. And lastly, I have the pumps. Let's see. There's one last thing. Here is an eyeliner contouring pencil. Fantastic product.